Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in to video number 2. I'm planning on showing you guys how I do my brows since that wasn't included in my first video, the no makeup look, but a few things before I get started. So one, this brow is a bit more arched than the other, but that's just my facial structure, so it is what it is. And two, that same brow is also thinner than the other, and that's because in preparation for this video I was trying to clean them up. And of course, the day I'm recording is the day that I'm accidentally heavy-handed with my eyebrow razor, but at least that's something I can fix my makeup, so I'm not too concerned. Speaking of my makeup, the two products I'll be using in this video are ABH Dipbrow Pomade in Ebony and LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. So I've been using the Dipbrow Pomade for about the past year or so. And of course, I've tried different eyebrow pencils and powders in the past, but once I started using the pomade, I just got hooked to it because I like the definition that it gives my brows. But enough talking, let's get started with my eyebrows. So guys, I do apologize in advance for the times when my brows are out of view. I kept telling myself to keep my head lifted so that they're always visible, but I did forget here and there, so my bad. But yeah, I always start off by outlining the top and bottom of my brows before filling them in. And my top outline never starts at the same place as my bottom outline because I prefer a softer start to my brows, and I achieve that by having less product at the beginning than I do at the tail of my brows. So now I'm just brushing out my brows, and I do tend to focus more so at the beginning than I do at the end to achieve that softer look that I like. And I really brush out the product towards the middle to clear out any harsh lines, and this kind of creates like a fade effect going into my brows. So now it's time for my concealer, and there's not much of an explanation to this. This is really just to help carve out my brows and to cover up any mistakes that I might have done. And I'll also be putting some in between my brows, which helps with the fade that I was talking about earlier. So now I'm just blending away with a damp beauty blender, of course, and in between my brows the tops get lighter and lighter as I move further into them, but outside of that area I blend out the concealer by following the shape of my brows in a fluid motion instead of tapping it into my skin. And sometimes I do have to go back to fix up the shape because I messed them up while I was blending. This is the final look, and I'm honestly quite happy with how they turned out, especially the fact that they didn't take me too long to do, because on a bad eyebrow day, it can take me anywhere from 10 to 15, sometimes even 20 minutes just on my brows alone. But that was not the case today, so yeah. But guys, once again, thank you for tuning in to my second video. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave your comments down below. I really do enjoy being able to go through those to see what you guys think of my videos, as well as seeing if there are any requests for the future content that you guys want me to put out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!